Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a drone tour of the construction that's going on at the Mandeville Plaza. So straight ahead, that's the plaza that's being built. This is actually a new structure that went up, and we're just going to take a tour to see what's going on. It's scheduled to open later this year. That's probably about June 2023, and it's going to be opening in time for to coincide with when the highway is going to open, as it's now going to take 40 minutes to get from Kingston to Mandeville via Highway 2000. And that highway, the Maypen to Mandeville leg, is being constructed now, and it's going to be finished in August 2023. So when that leg is finished, you drive from Kingston to Mandeville in 40 minutes, and that's definitely a game changer for the town of Mandeville. So you're going to have Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town, which has the largest population in Jamaica, being able to get to Mandeville in 40 minutes. So a lot of development is going on in Mandeville, and this is one of those developments. Alright guys, so enjoy the drone tour, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.